Hello everyone, welcome to Rising Sun Tutorials. Today we are here to learn another new topic, and welcome to the new topic, that is using the more convincing words replacing the word very. That is exactly, use words instead of very. So here is some of the list of words which we are going to learn today. Very is vague and weak. People often use very as a lazy replacement for a more appropriate word. Replace very with more convincing words. Avoid using two words, very plus adjective or adverb, to describe something. It is better to use one word that has the same meaning but is more precise and descriptive. For example, you can replace very accurate by saying exact. Instead of saying very clear, say obvious. So in this video, we are going to learn new words replacing the very. So let's get started. Don't say very accurate, say exact. Very afraid, fearful. Very angry, furious. Very annoying, exasperating. Very bad, awful. Very bad, gorgeous. Very big, massive. Very boring, dull. Very bright, luminous. Very busy, swamped. Very calm, serene. Very careful, cautious. Very cheap, stingy. Very clean, spotless. Very clear, obvious. Very cold, freezing. Very careful, vibrant. Very competitive, cutthroat. Very complete, comprehensive. Very confused, perplexed. Very creative, innovative. Very crowded, bustling. Very dangerous, perilous. Very dear, cherished. Very deep, profound. Very depressed, despondent. Very detailed, meticulous. Very different, disparate. Very difficult, arduous. Very dirty, filthy. Very dry, arid. Very dull, tedious. Very easy, effortless. Very empty, desolate. Very excited, thrilled. Very exciting, exhilarating. Very expensive, costly. Don't say very cute, say adorable. Don't say very fast, say swift. Very fancy, lavish. Very fat, obese. Very friendly, amiable. Very frightened, alarmed. Very frightened, terrifying. Very funny, hilarious. Very glad, overjoyed. Very good, excellent. Very great, terrific. Very happy, ecstatic. Very hard, difficult. Very hard to find, rare. Very heavy laden. Very high, soaring. Very hot, sweltering. Very huge, colossal. Very hungry, starving. Very hurt, battered. Very important, crucial. Very intelligent, brilliant. Very interesting, captivating. Very large, huge. Very lazy, indolent. Very little, tiny. Very long, extensive. Very long term, enduring. Very loose, lax. Very mean, cruel. Very messy, slovenly. Very necessary, essential. Very nervous, apprehensive. Very nice, kind. Very noisy, deafening. Very often, frequently. Very old, ancient. Very old fashioned, archaic. Don't say very loud, say thunderous. Don't say very slow, say sluggish. Very open, transparent. Very painful, excruciating. Very pale, ashen. Very perfect, flawless. Very poor, destitute. Very powerful, compelling. Very pretty, beautiful. Very quick, rapid. Very quiet, hushed. Very rainy, pouring. Very rich, wealthy. Very sad, sorrowful. Very scared, petrified. Very scary, chilling. Very serious, grave. Very sharp, keen. Very shiny, gleaming. Very short, brief. I hope these all are very useful in our daily life. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And also do watch the other videos of our channel. So these are the other interesting videos about antonyms, about rhyming words and homophones. And like this, many other videos are uploaded in my channel. Please do subscribe and share and like. This is my channel name. So thank you very much.